Good morning, everybody, and welcome to What's Hot on the Open here at MarketStream.live. My name is Joseph Cusick from the Cusick Group, securities offered by MoneyBlock. Let's take a look at the market action, and I apologize, my voice is shot after a long, cold-filled weekend. But the markets are not. The markets are actually hot, and they're hot to the downside right now. Just taking a look right now at the Dow Jones, down 79 points. The futures are trading at 19,754. You have the Russell 2000 actually leading to the downside, down 1750 at 1356.60. You have the NASDAQ under pressure, down 27, now 29.25, down at 5,032 even. The S&P 500 is down 11 at 2261.75. You have crude oil up 89 cents at 53.29. And you have the gold contract leading the way right now, up at 1215.20, up $19 today. And a lot of pressure in the overall market. Let's take a look. First of all, we want to start on the earnings front. Morgan Stanley, ticker symbol MS, came out this morning pre-market. We talked about this at Tech Talk on last Friday. Set that up for you. And also, we talked about it yesterday in the Sunday night setups. We actually did it Monday because of the holiday. Stocks down about 11 cents, about 0.3%. They beat on the top line and bottom line estimates. That's going to put pressure, I think, on the likes of Goldman Sachs and other notable names that are going to be coming out on the finance side. Let's watch this very closely. We also had a large cap healthcare stock, United Health, UNH, come out trading up about 96 cents right now at 162.76. They had better than expected earnings and issued inline guidance. So that was positive for United Health. And we wanted to watch that large cap healthcare because we're going to start seeing policies coming out from the Trump administration that could impact, especially with the potential repeal of Obamacare. We also want to take a look at United Airlines, UAL. We noted that they were going to be announcing they're going to be having headline earnings after the close, as well as CSX. United Airlines is up about 13 cents at 74.45. Take a look at Tech Talk. We break that down as well as the Sunday night setups. We break it all down right there. CSX down about 30 cents. Watch the transports. I want to see if there's some weakness that comes there. If there is, that could be one of the canaries in the coal mine. You're going to also want to watch that small cap action. They're really getting pounded right now in the open. Those are what's reporting after the close. There was a retailer, Tiffany's, high-end retailer, came out this morning, basically said that had lackluster holiday sales. That has been for the bricks and mortar, both the discount as well as the high-end retailers. Foot traffic was low. Sales were low. They're competing against the online. It's not looking good for this sector, this segment of this sector in retail. Stocks down $3.64 or 4.5% at 78.28. We did see, though, that Walt Disney on the other side of the coin climbing about 0.5% after the company was upgraded to a buy from a neutral at Goldman. As we said, crude oil was on the uptick, and it continues to be on the uptick, especially after the headlines over the weekend and yesterday. Saudi Arabia seems to be adhering to the production cuts. The oil contract is up about 1.8% at 53.31 right now. We're going to watch that very closely. Again, I take all of the OPEC and non-OPEC nations adhering to this the production cuts with a grain of salt. There's going to be some volatility in crude oil. U.S. Treasuries are also up, basically up right around their overnight highs. You see the 10-year benchmark basically trading about 8 basis points lower at 2.31%. That means that the prices in bonds are going up. We've seen that across the globe. We're also seeing some pretty volatile trade in the currency markets. The U.S. dollar is down levels that we haven't seen in weeks, if not months. And we see that universally the euro, the sterling, the yen, all up at levels that we haven't seen in quite a long time. As far as some other notable information, take a look at the metals and mining. Specifically, we mentioned gold. Gold is up about 1.7% this morning at 1216.20. That is catalyzing the gold-related stocks and also some metal stocks. Kinross Gold, KGC up 4.8%. Anglo Gold up 4.7%. Take a look at Goldcorp up 3.4%, Barrick up 3.1%, and that's ABX. And Newmont Mining, NEM, up 3%. Now, Harmony Gold did come out and say that their H1 gold production was up 8% year over year. That's another catalyst, up 3.2%, Harmony HMY. And Rio Tinto, ticker symbol RIO, up 1.8%. They reported Q4 production, iron ore shipments in line with guidance. That's positive for those infrastructure plays, especially steel. We're going to keep an eye on that for the remainder of the day and many other things. Join us at 1:30 Eastern Time, where we're going to be going over everything that's happening in the midday at Strategy Now. Join us here at MarketStream.live and check out our archives. Take care and have a great day.